Hey guys, this is Josh, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix when you face the error OR-CCSEH-05. Basically, this is a payment error code in Google whenever you're adding a credit or debit card. So in here, you go to payment and subscriptions, and then usually the error shows up after you add a credit card or a debit card. So what are the possible reasons for this error? First is incorrect card details. Second is temporary technical issues, sometimes with the card provider, the bank, or even Google Play servers. Third is card restrictions. So you might want to check your restrictions on your cards or the limits and the terms and conditions of your card. Fourth one is you want to make sure that your Google Play application is up to date. Lastly, you also want to check your account restrictions on the account that you use for your card, so that you can make sure that everything is fine. Once you have made sure that all of those are good, we can do basic troubleshooting. So first is you want to make sure that the Google Play cache and data is cleared. So if you clear that, you need to sign in back again and all that stuff. And then if it's still not fixed yet, you can try a different payment method. The third one is you might also want to check your internet connection, because if the internet connection is slow, it could affect adding a payment method. And lastly, you want to contact your card issuer so that they can verify if your card is active and has sufficient funds for the transactions, and they can also tell you about any restrictions that might be preventing you from using your card online. So that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you are updated with our daily uploads. This is Josh. I'm going to see you on the next one.